If you are getting a disk write error when trying to install a game on Steam, then keep watching, as in this video I'm going to share with you some quick and easy solutions. First thing we're going to do is head over to the Steam application, then click on Steam in the top left here and head into Settings. Come over to the Downloads tab, and then we're going to try clearing our download cache by hitting this Clear Cache button here and selecting Confirm. This is going to restart the application and may require you to log back in, and then we can check to see if that's fixed the issue. If that's still not working, then we can check our firewall settings by heading into the Start menu, search for Windows Defender, and then tap on Windows Defender Firewall. Click on Allow an Apple feature through Windows Defender on the left here, and then you need to select Change Settings to make changes to this page. And we can scroll all the way down this list, and we're looking for Steam. And hopefully you see Steam listed here, and if you do, just make sure both private and public are checked in here. If you don't see Steam in this list, let me just remove this for a second. Then what we need to do is we need to add Steam into this list by selecting Allow Another App on the bottom here. Come into Browse, come over to your C drive, inside of Program Files x86. Scroll down to find the Steam folder and come inside of there, and then scroll all the way down and you'll see a file called Steam. We just simply double click on that and then select Add. And once again, make sure both private and public are checked. Then we can hit OK. The next thing you need to do is find the Steam application on your desktop here, and we're going to right click on it and come into Properties, then head over to the Compatibility tab, and you need to ensure that Run this program as administrator is checked, and also disable full screen optimizations, and we can press Apply and OK to save those changes, and try relaunching the Steam application to see if that's fixed the issue. Now, if that's still not working, another thing we can do is head back into the Steam application, come over to Steam on the left here and hit Settings inside of Storage, and then hit these three little dots and select Repair Library. Just give this a few minutes to complete, and this is going to repair any problems it may find with the Steam app. Now, if you've tried all of these steps and that's still not working for you, the last and final thing we can do is head to the Start menu and search for File Explorer. Tap on the File Explorer tab and come into your C drive, inside of Program Files x86, and we need to find the Steam folder once more. But this time we're going to right click on the Steam folder and come into Properties, and then you should have this box here checked where it says Read Only. And what we're going to do is we're going to uncheck this box, and we're going to press Apply and OK. Then lastly, come into the Security tab, and you need to make sure you have full control of the application. So you shouldn't see any tick boxes in this Deny section. If you do see any ticks in here, we just simply need to come over to the Advanced tab and make sure you have full control to this folder. To change the permissions, we can just select the user that we're currently using, then click on the Edit button, and we can change all of our permissions in here. Then press OK to close out this window, then press Apply and OK to disable these changes. And once again, we can try opening the Steam application, and that should have fixed any issues you're having with a disk write error when trying to install a game on Steam. If this video did help you, please drop a like and subscribe. Until next time.